Hi guys, here is how you can make a bootable USB installer on macOS. Now to make a bootable USB for Mac, we first need to download the OS version. For that, open Safari and Google search the OS version you want to download. Now you will get the official App Store link. Ignore other links, click on it, and you can simply download this. And this will be downloaded to the application folder. Now this works for the older Mac version, but if you want the latest Mac version, which is Tahoe at the moment, and if we try to Google search it, you will not find a proper download link like that of older macOS versions. So to download, we will have to use the terminal. Even in this link, there is only the details about the OS, but there is no any download link. Now to download this, we will use the terminal. So simply open the terminal, and in here we will run this command. So copy this and simply paste it here. This will download the latest 26.3 version and press enter. You will only be able to download if your Mac OS is eligible to download it. File size is about 70 GB, so we have already downloaded it. After the download is complete, go to your application folder, and here you will see install macOS Tahoe. Please also note that if you have downloaded the earlier version, then the latest downloaded version might replace it. So please keep the proper backup. You can also copy this to USB or other drives for backup. Now let's make this a portable USB installer. Let me insert a USB pen drive. Make sure you have backed up all the files from the drive, as this will be formatted. After that, simply go to this official website. Here are all the details about the installer and how you can make it. Now depending on the OS version you downloaded, if it is Tahoe or this one, you need to copy the respective codes. One important thing is this USB name should exactly match with your driver's name. You can change this code or change the name of your USB drive. I will change the USB name, copy this, and I will rename the USB name. So it has become My Volume. After that, since our name is Tahoe, copy this, open the terminal, paste it here, and press enter. Enter your macOS login password. It will again ask that it will erase all the files. Y and enter. Now this whole process can take about 20 to 30 minutes, so please be a little patient. So this is done, and you can see our pen drive. You can close this. Let me open the pen drive. This is the bootable macOS installer. Now you can use this to install the macOS. Thank you very much.